Google Assistant has survived far longer than expected on the company's devices ever since everything decided to transition to Gemini. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. After running for years, Google has confirmed that it will yank Assistant from Android phones and tablets, as well as WearOS watches and some other related devices within weeks. As sources note, the company has started telling users via email that Assistant will fade away from those products starting from September 4th. It expects the process may take a few weeks to reach everyone. Afterward, you won't be able to use Assistant on those devices. The transition will apply to Android phones that meet the minimum specs that run Gemini and only in regions where the newer chatbot's available. Paired devices like headphones that can support Gemini will be affected too. There are no changes on Google TV, Google Home, or smart displays at this stage. Google previously said a legacy version of Assistant will remain on phones running Android 9 or older with less than 2 GB of RAM to support basic tasks. Assistant will still be available on cars with Google built-in as well, but not on vehicles running Android Auto projected from a user's mobile device. If you don't already have Gemini on your Android device and would like to use it, you can download the Gemini app from the Play Store to get started. Otherwise, you might be able to remain blissfully free from the chatbot. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.